Alright, so I had this thing running yesterday. Don't know where this series and this video is going to fall. I kind of had to pack everything up and leave rather quickly. Got it running. Had a few little leaks, had to tighten up some hose clamps. Everything seems to be doing decent right now. I did have a little bit of transmission fluid leaking from between the engine and the transmission. Now I can't tell if it was coming from the transmission oil pan running over into the cover for the torque converter, because they overlap, or if it was coming from the torque converter, which that's the more scary of the options, because that means everything would have to come, well, the transmission transfer case and all that crap would have to come back out. So I took the cover off the torque converter and ran it a little while this morning, and it's not leaking. However, it's a little bit low on transmission fluid, and I don't have any more. So I've already put, geez, I don't know, there were 6, 7, 8, 9, probably 8 to 10 quarts of transmission fluid in this thing at $7 and something a piece. But anyway, it's still a little bit low, so that might have something to do with why it's not leaking. I have to go pick up the seals for the front rear end tomorrow, and actually found the little truck I drive all the time, the heater control valve is leaking. When I got to the shop this morning, I was walking around the front and I noticed a little bit of steam. I knew by the smell what it was, or white smoke, steam, whatever. I could tell by the smell what it was. I knew it was antifreeze. Popped the hood, started looking, found that. Now, I know I've replaced one of those before, but I had another little truck just like that one that I acquired and had to put a clutch and all that in it. I might have put that heater control valve in that one. I can't remember which one it was, but anyway, everything seems to be pretty good so far up front here. So I think I'm going to finish putting this stuff on there. Maybe the hood, not sure. Yeah, I might put the hood on it. I can't put the front bumper or brush guard back on it yet until I get that stuff fixed in the front. But that's where I'm at right now. So let's start with see what we got here. Throw some zip ties on those. Hopefully I won't have to take all this stuff back off. Let's see. Clamp on that. There's a little elbow that goes in there. Still don't like the way that runs, but anyway, that goes over there. Yeah, whatever. Ooh. Gotta clean those up a little bit, huh? Pretty nice. That looks better. Probably ought to put the big ones on there before I get too far into this. Make sure I can get this other elbow in there. That main hose clamp goes around. Yeah, well, that didn't work, did it? Didn't have it in the right spot. All right, I think we got settled back in pretty good. Try this again. You need to cover that hole up. What do you guys think? Put a nut and a washer through that. Here we go. I like that a little better. Yeah. Nice. It sounds much better than it did without all the exhaust leaks. Gotta get the hood in here now. Get back with you when I get that ready to put on. That'll get snagged under a tire. Yeah, definitely much easier to move around than doing it with the loader. Oh, of course. Goes up there out of the way. Yeah, there we go. This thing connects to the plastic shroud that goes up here, which I'm not going to put on here yet until I make sure everything's good to go. Alright, well, what to do now?